Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandy. Today I am doing an all-day clean with me video, and today is very special because I am collabing with an awesome mommy YouTuber named Becka Jones. So definitely go check her channel out after this because she's also doing a cleaning video. I'm actually going to insert a clip of her introduction right now.
Hey everyone, I'm Becca and I'm a mom to 3 boys who are 13, 2, and 7 months old. We are also a military family who is currently stationed in Texas, but we are soon to move to South Carolina. Over on my channel, I like to do day in the lives, cleaning videos, hauls, a little bit of everything that has to do with being a mom or being a military family. I would love it if when you're done watching Sandy's video, you come over and check out my cleaning video for some extra cleaning motivation. And we look forward to seeing you over there.
Drop down and face the wind. Always look beyond the setting sun. All the time you wasted here will never come again, if only some. True talent never shows. It's easier to fool the ones you know. But if you wanna see me there, just hold on to the notion of my heart. Will you ever sing out loud? Will faces start to turn to see who sang? You said the first time that I saw you in the band. Worn out and thrown away, taken off the tracks and led astray. There's still time to set things straight. Faces start to turn to see who sang. I remember what you said the first time that I saw you in the band.
Outside looking in, I really wasn't sure what I was getting.
door, entrance, and shoe pile. I'm gonna be honest, this hardly ever gets cleaned, so I'm gonna actually take this outside and try to shake it off the best that I can. 53% humidity out. Perfect day to do this.
You always dreamed of making it big in your town. People had a certain walk and a certain frown, steady and heavy, or younger than 20. Some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. We'll teach you.
That was it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're coming from Becca's channel, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
You to blush and how to get your way.